Hello students, I am Mr. Adinath D. Padar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Let Pushpa Devi Patil, Arts and Science College, Risod, West Washington. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss isomerism in coordination compound. So student, if what is the isomer or what is the isomerism? Now these are the simple if two or more chemical compounds with identical chemical formula but different structural formula are called isomers, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism. Hence isomers have different physical and chemical properties. Coordination compound give rise a wide variety of isomers due to different structural arrangement of constitute atoms in a structure. Isomerism in coordination compounds may be divided into two main types, that is, these are the isomerism or isomer in coordination compound are further divided into two main types, that is stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. After these stereoisomers are further divided into two types, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. These structural isomerism are further divided into main four types, that is linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, and solvate or hydrated isomerism. Now firstly we see the stereoisomerism. Stereoisomers, or what is meant by stereoisomerism. So these isomers contain same atom and the same atom to atom bonding but different only in the special arrangement around the central metal ion. It is possible only in the complex with the coordination number greater than 4. These are also subdivided into two types, that is first type is geometrical isomerism and second is optical isomerism. So firstly we discuss what is the geometrical isomerism. These are the Ma2B2 complex. So geometrical isomerism, this type of stereoisomers arises in coordination compound due to difference in geometrical position or arrangement of ligand around the central metal ion. These are the ligand and these are the central metal ion, and the different arrangement. For example, consider these two examples. Here these are the AAR occupy at same position or adjacent position, and in this complex these A are occupy opposite to each other, not adjacent to each other. Occupy position adjacent to each other. If these ligands are occupy adjacent to each other, like this example, then this is called cis form or cis isomer. If these ligands are occupy opposite to each other, then this is called transform or trans isomer. These are the example. Here these chlorine are opposite to each other, these amine ammonia are also opposite to each other, then these are the trans. And in this example these chlorine occupy adjacent to each other, also these amine are occupy adjacent to each other, then these isomer are called as cis. These are the example of transplatin and these are the example of cisplatin. Now the another example, that is diamino bromo chloro platinum second. Here these four ligands are different: bromine, pyridine, chlorine, and ammonia. Bromine, chlorine, pyridine and ammonia. In this example, this chlorine and this ammonia are adjacent to each other. Also, here this pyridine and this chlorine are each other. All four different ligands. Hence, here geometrical isomerism are not possible. Now, the example is MABCD for platinum glycosylate or glycino. These are the cis. Here, these ligand occupy adjacent to each other like this carbonyl group and this carbonyl group are adjacent to each other, then these isomers are called cis. Here these carbonyl and this carbonyl are opposite to each other. This methyl group and this methyl group are opposite to each other, then these are trans isomer. Now next, 6 coordination compound. Another possibility, if we consider the example in octahedral geometry, that is coordination number is equal to 6, that is Ma4B2. In this complex, these two chlorine are opposite to each other and then these isomers are trans. In this complex, these two chlorine, that is B2, are adjacent to each other, then these are the cis isomer. The structure of cis and trans isomer of this complex, that is tetraamine dichlorocobalt third ion, are shown in this figure given. In cis isomer, these two chlorine occupy adjacent, that is 1 and 2 position of the octahedron, while in trans isomer, this isomer or this chlorine occupy the opposite, that is 1 and 6 position, 1 and 6 position, and this is a trans. Next, another possibility is Ma3B3. This 3 chlorine and this ammonia 3 are same ligand. Here all these 3 chlorine are adjacent to each other. Cl, Cl, Cl. All 3 amine are adjacent to each other. Then this complex is called cis. Here these chlorine are opposite to each other. These amine are also opposite to each other. Then these are the trans form or trans isomerism. Now here just complexes of this type exist in two isomeric form. It is seen that the cis form similar group occupy corner of one of the octahedron like this. These are the one same corner. This triangle consider all three ligands occupy at a same side or one side here. And now while, and this is called as facile, while in transform they do not, is called as meridional. Meridional, these chlorine are opposite to each other, then this called as meridial. This is called as fac and this is mer. Fac for facile and mer for meridional. Now the next is optical isomerism. Next example is optical isomerism. So firstly, we see optical isomerism. There are certain substances which cannot rotate the plane of polarized light. These are called optically active substance. The optically active isomers which rotate the plane of polarized light equally but in opposite direction are called enantiomer. This type of isomers are exhibit in chiral molecules, that is molecules which do not have plane of symmetry. It is well known that substance which can rotate the plane of polarized light in clockwise direction, then this called as dextrorotatory or D form. If substance which can rotate the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise right direction left side are called levorotatory or L form. If equal amount of these two forms are mixed and dissolved in water, no optical activity is observed. Is called racemic form or racemic mixture or DL form. This isomerism is also known as mirror image isomer, just as left hand is a mirror image of right hand. Here left hand is a mirror image of right hand. Now optical isomerism called optical isomer or enantiomer are mirror image of each other, just as right hand will not fit into left glow. Two enantiomer cannot be superimposed on each other. These are the mirror image of each other but not superimposed to each other. In coordination compound, optical activity arises not due to any asymmetric atom but due to asymmetry of these exists which have configuration of atom of group in space about the central metal ion. One structure is mirror image of other. This phenomenon is called enantiomerism. They are identical in all physical and chemical properties but different only in the direction in which the rotation of plane polarized light. Complex with coordination number 4 and 6 show this type of isomerism. Now, 6 coordination compound. Firstly, we see the 6 coordination compound, that is octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes containing only monodentate ligand, like these are M monodentate ligand. Octahedral complexes containing bidentate ligand. Here octahedral complexes with bidentate and monodentate ligand. Now we discuss the optical isomerism in complexes with coordination number is equal to 6, that is octahedral complexes. These are the example of Ma2B2C2 type of complex, means two ligands are same. This complex is ion can exist in 5 geometrical isomers but only 3 have been isolated. In cis isomer, two identical ligands occupy the adjacent position of octahedron. For example, here this chlorine, this pyridine, and this amine. These cis isomer exist in two optical forms which are mirror image. Here just consider these two complexes are mirror image of each other. Transform of this complex ion is symmetrical and hence is optically inactive form which is known as transmeso form. These two isomers are mirror image of each other but not superimposable. These are called as optically active, and these isomer rotate plane polarized light clockwise direction. Then these are d isomer, that is dextroisomer, and these isomer rotate plane polarized light as anti-clockwise direction, that is left hand direction. Then these are L isomer or levorotatory isomer. Now the next example is all 6 ligands are different, that is M, A, B, C and D. M, A, B, C and D. This complex can exist in 15 geometrical isomer form. Each of these 15 geometrical isomers exist in optically active, that is D and L form, given in total of 30 optically active isomers. D and L isomer for one of the 15 geometrical isomers are given in following figure. Here all 6 ligands are different. These isomers are exist in 15 geometrical isomeric form and all these 15 are optically active. Then the total optical active isomer is 30. Now the next example is bidentate ligand complex having bidentate ligand or octahedral complex having bidentate ligand. Here also these are the ethylene diamine that is bidentate ligand. These are the symbol of ethylene diamine or these also are mirror image of each other but not superimposable to each other. Then these are also exist in D isomer and L isomer. Now the next example is MAA2B2 that is two ligands are bidentate that is and two ligands are monodentate. These ions shows geometrical isomerism and hence can exist in cis and trans isomer. The cis isomer does not have any plane or center of symmetry and hence is optically active cis isomer can be resolved into two optically active isomer that is D isomer and L isomer. On the other hand, the trans isomer has a plane of symmetry and hence optically inactive, that is it cannot be resolved into optically active isomer. This trans isomer is optically inactive, that is mesoform. Here this having two chlorine opposite to each other means center of symmetry and plane of symmetry are present. Then the trans isomer of this type of complexes are optically inactive. Now these are the cis isomer. Here these two are mirror image of each other but not superimposable, that is absence of plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. Now the next example is isomer in coordination number is equal to 4.